In this Circuits of the Past video, we show you all the layouts of the Luttenbergring, a road racing circuit in the Netherlands. During the ride, we'll tell you about the history of the Luttenbergring circuit. But first, let me introduce you to the driver. That's Herman Lischmeyer, founder of this YouTube channel and the website circuitsofthepast.com. My name's Simon Smith and I voice over the videos. I have a YouTube channel called Higher Plane Games if you're interested. The Luttenbergring is located north-east of Raalte, in the east of the Netherlands, near Luttenberg. The small village, which named the circuit, hosted motorcycle races every year but one between 1970 and 1989, before the 1990 and 91 events were cancelled. While the Raalte Races began as national meetings, they became international events as of 1972, and swiftly ranked among the biggest and most important in the country, with magazines often referring to them as mini Grand Prix because of the high quality of the starting grids. However, as of 1985, only the newly introduced sidecar class was fully international. The other races now were mostly national, a result of the ever-increasing costs of staging the events. The original circuit was used from 1970 through to 1981 and measured 3.15 kilometres, which is just shy of 2 miles. Boe van Dolman set the lap record of 1 minute 21.2, which equates to 139.7 kilometres per hour in the final year. The circuit length increased slightly to 3.2 kilometres, or 2 miles, in 1982 due to the addition of a new chicane. That, of course, raised the lap times considerably. Van Dolman also clocked the best ever lap on this layout, a 126.4, which equates to 133.3 kilometres an hour in 1983. And here we are at the chicane, which was added to the circuit in 1982. It was actually a parallel road alongside a public road, but they chose this solution because the public road had trees next to it which couldn't be cut down. We're now at the Memorial Corners. This challenging series of corners were named after a World War II memorial, which is here alongside the road. As we said earlier, the original circuit was in use from 1970 through to 1989, with the new chicane since 1982. In 1987 there was also a support race for supercarts, but it was only held once. Then in 1990 races were cancelled and the original layout was never used again. So here are lap ends on the original circuit of Luttenbergring. Stay tuned though, there's more to come. From 1997 through to 2004, the Raalte Races were revived as national events. The circuit was nearly the same as it was before, and that included that 1982 built chicane, but now it was used in an anti-clockwise direction with 2 more additional chicanes. If that isn't an indictment on exactly how circuit design has changed over the years, then I don't know what is. So, in 1997 they drove the circuit, including the Memorial Corners, which you see here, in the other direction. The reason why they changed the driving direction though was to create a runoff at the Tiers corner. In the original version they actually strove straight towards a canal, so it wasn't possible to create a runoff there, unless you fancy getting out your flotation devices and paddling your way back onto the circuit again. When driving in the other direction, they could create a runoff in line with the continuous public road that runs alongside the circuit. Now we're at the 1982 built chicane again, and the parallel road, which is also driven in the other direction. Now we're on to the section that contains the two additional chicanes. You can see them on the left-hand side of the road. And here we are at the tyres corner. This is the corner that caused that whole direction change. However, as circuit safety standards continue to rise and increase, new safety measures from the Royal Dutch Motorcyclist Association were brought upon the circuit after several severe accidents. This meant that certain classes could no longer compete at the Luttenbergring, which then prompted the organisers to pull the plug on everything after the June 2004 race. That effectively meant the end of the Luttenbergring. However, there is still a part of the circuit that is sometimes used for a special stage of the Tulip Rally. This is the trajectory that we're driving on now. As you can see, this section is driven in the original direction. However, when the circuit is used to turn right at the tyres corner, we're going to turn left. Before we continue the story about the Luttenbergring, we first want to say thank you to Rob Semmeling from the website www.wegcircuits.nl. He provided Herman with the information about the Luttenbergring, so in the description of this video you'll find a link to his website. Go take a look. So, whilst we drive the rally stage, I bet Herman was well up for that, I'll tell you about the current state of the Luttenbergring. In 2013 and 2014, demonstration races for classic motorcycle races were organised on the Luttenbergring. Unfortunately, the 2015 demo races couldn't go ahead. We then flash forward to 2019 when a group of 5 local motorsport enthusiasts founded the Luttenbergring Preservation Foundation. Well done to them for doing so. Since October 2019, annual demonstration races have been held on the 1997 to 2004 version of the Luttenbergring. In the description of this video, you'll again find a link to their website of the foundation. Do please take a look. As you can see, Hermann had to break the law here to film this part of the rally stage. The things he does for circuits of the past. So while we enter the memorial corners once again, we can say that this story has actually come to a happy end. Before we're at the end of the rally stage at the Luttenbergring, I'd like to point you to one more website too, and that's www.circuitsofthepast.com. There you'll find much more information about lost racing circuits, and also download an ebook about 7 abandoned racetracks that you can visit legally. We also have a Patreon for support. As a return, you get access to special making of videos and much more. A link to our Patreon can be found in the description of the video. The Luttenbergring is a fantastic example of modern day motorsport enthusiasts getting together and preserving our heritage, and the reason why we all love motorsport racing so much. If you do any of these other preservation projects, please do get in touch with Hermann because he'd love to hear from you. For now though, thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and hit on that notification bell so that you can get all of the memories to bygone circuits from the past, and sometimes ones that are preserved for the present too. Take care.